Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from KoboToolbox to Excel. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the simple process of exporting form data from KoboToolbox so you can open and work with it in Excel. This is useful when you want to review responses, organize records, share data with your team, or do additional analysis outside the platform. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your browser and go to the home area where your projects are listed. This is the main dashboard where you can access the forms and datasets connected to your account. Once you're there, look through your available projects and open the one you want to export from. In this example, the project selected is called Sample Project. Clicking into the correct project is important because the export options are tied to each individual form or survey. After the project opens, move to the top of the page and click on Data. This section is where KoboToolbox stores the submissions collected through your form. If you're looking to download results into Excel, this is the area you'll need. The Data view allows you to manage and review records before exporting them, which can be helpful if you want to confirm you're in the right place. Next, find and click Downloads. This will take you to the Export area, where KoboToolbox lets you create downloadable versions of your data in different file formats. Since the goal here is to use the data in Excel, this section is especially important because it gives you control over how the data will be prepared. Once you're on the Downloads page, click on Select Export Type. Here, you'll choose the format you want to export. If you plan to open the file in Excel, make sure you select the export type that works best for Excel-based review and analysis. Taking a moment here to choose the right format can save time later and help avoid compatibility issues when opening the file. After you've made your selection, click Export. KoboToolbox will begin preparing the file for download. Depending on the size of your data set, this may happen quickly or take a little time. Once the export is ready, you can download the file and open it in Excel to view, sort, and analyze your data. And that's it. By going to your project, opening the Data section, selecting Downloads, choosing the export type, and clicking Export, you can quickly move your KoboToolbox data into Excel for easier reporting and analysis.